Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I am here at the Tim Holtz booth at AFCI's Creativation Show, and we are looking at his brand new Sidekick. Look how cute this little Sidekick is. It's the perfect little entry-level crafting machine. It has a little foot that comes down to secure it to the table, and it doesn't stand alone because Tim has developed a complete program to support his brand new Sidekick machine. We look over here, these are his side orders. We have 6 SKUs of thinlits and embossing folders that come together that are a great collection for crafting all year round. We can cover birthday, summer, love, travel, patriotic. It's just a great collection for all of your making needs throughout the whole year. And you can see up here some of the cute projects that you're able to make with those. His starter kit for the Sidekick has this cute little tag shape. There's just so much content in here. Just because it's a small size, don't let that fool you. And over here, just some more supporting elements. I don't know if we can see all that, but these are some replacement cutting pads in a brown color for Tim Holtz's Sidekick. Brand new adhesive sheets. These are sized to fit right through the Sidekick without requiring any trimming. So that's a crucial kind of accessory here in Sizzix land that we like to promote. And then finally, how cute is this? A mini toolkit. So it's a mini die brush, a die pick, and a miniature foam pad, all to work in the Sidekick world. So just an overall glance of the beginnings of Tim Holtz's Sidekick and side order programs. I'd stay tuned because I think there's going to be a lot more exciting stuff coming with this guy soon.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!